Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a website using Canva. Yes, you heard right, so let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, maximize it. Now in the URL type canva.com. As you can see here, open it. Now if you have not made any account yet, registered on it with using Gmail account, it's free. And after logging on website, wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's taking. Okay, now go to here, create a design option, click on here. Now here you have to search website, write website here, and okay, now you can see a website. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it gives you hundreds of templates of your suggestions. For example, I want to make a website on technology, so I will click on technology. As you can see here, click on it. Now as you can see here, Canva suggests me hundreds of templates ideas. For example, I want to create this type of website. I will select this and you can see the pages. It looks so cool. You can also change the text by just double clicking on it and write technology. Now if you want to change the text size, you can go to here. You can maximize as well as minimize. You can change the font of the text by click on here. Just click on it and the text will be changed. You can also give an animated look. Go to here and go to animate. Now check this out, it looks so cool. Now after editing all the pages, go to share option and download here. Now your website portfolio is ready. Download, click on download. Now that's it. Now you know how to create a website using canva.com. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.